family. Hi, my name's Sarah, and today I want to tell you all about my family. So let's start with my dad. He's amazing. My dad's always there for me. Always. He works as an engineer, and he's super smart. I mean, he can fix anything. If I break a toy or my computer isn't working, he just knows what to do. Sometimes I wonder, how does he know all that? And then there's my mom. Oh, my mom is so loving. She's a teacher, and she's the kindest person I know. Every morning she makes breakfast for us, and let me tell you, her pancakes, they're the best. I love spending time with her, especially when we bake cookies together. She always says, "Sarah, cooking is a kind of love." Isn't that beautiful? Next, I have an older brother, Jake. Now, Jake and I, we fight sometimes, but I know he cares about me. He's a high school student, and he's really into sports, especially basketball. He always tells me, "Sarah, one day I'll be a professional player." I believe him. He practices every day, rain or shine, and I think he might just make it. Oh, and how could I forget our dog, Max? Max is a golden retriever, and he's a huge part of our family. Whenever we're sad or feeling down, Max just knows. He'll come over, wagging his tail, and put his head on your lap. And instantly, everything feels better. Sometimes, I feel like he understands us better than we understand each other. So, that's my family, my wonderful family. We're not perfect. We argue, and things get messy. But at the end of the day, we love each other, and I wouldn't trade them for the world. Thanks for listening to my story. Now, tell me, what's your family like?